Guys, quick video on replacing the pump on your Homelite pressure washer, 2700 psi, 2.3 gallons per minute. It's run by this Honda GCV 160, and yeah, I got it at Home Depot. And if you've seen any of my other videos, I show you guys what happened to my pump. I'll link to it here too, so you can see exactly what's going on. I did a video about changing the oil. That's here too in a playlist, so you can check that out. But I just wanted to clear up here that there's kind of some misinformation about how to deal with this pump. It's no big deal to take it out. There's no big seals or anything like that. In fact, it's just 3 bolts and a shaft key. But here's one of the bolts. Okay, and then there's one over here. This is in the back of the machine. So those 2 bolts and one right there. And underneath there's just 3 bolts, and you pop them out. Then right here the shaft comes out of the motor and goes into the pump, and there's just a shaft key in there. So when you get your new pump, you may have to switch, move some of these parts around. Who knows what's going to come with, depending on where you get it. I'll link to Amazon, and you can find one there, the right one. But otherwise, it's real simple. I'll link to my other videos in the playlist and make sure that you guys can see all those. But real easy. Just pop those 3 bolts out. Just make sure you put your shaft key back in, but other than that, tighten them down good, and it's a real quick, easy replacement. So just thought I'd show you guys that. Thanks.